Click on the link below to get price. The Abestorm 4PCS 180 PPD commercial dehumidifier is an impressive piece of industrial equipment designed for heavy-duty applications, particularly beneficial in managing water damage restoration and maintaining optimal humidity levels in large spaces. With a powerful extraction capacity of 180 pints per day, this unit is engineered to handle challenging environments, making it an ideal choice for contractors, restoration professionals, and even large-scale facilities like warehouses and museums. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its built-in pump, which allows for continuous drainage, eliminating the hassle of manually emptying water tanks. This feature is especially valuable during prolonged use, as it enables the unit to run continuously without interruption. Users can easily direct the drained water to a nearby sink or drainage point, ensuring efficient water removal. The design is robust yet portable, with sturdy wheels that facilitate easy movement across various surfaces. This mobility is crucial for professionals who need to move the dehumidifier from one area to another, especially in large job sites. Additionally, the unit boasts a user-friendly interface, complete with a clear digital display and simple controls that make it accessible for anyone, regardless of technical skill. In terms of energy efficiency, the Abestorm dehumidifier is commendable. It operates quietly, allowing it to be used in noise-sensitive environments without excessive disturbance. Furthermore, its durable construction ensures longevity, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone dealing with persistent moisture issues. While the initial cost might seem high, the performance and reliability of the Abestorm dehumidifier justify the price. It excels in high humidity scenarios, quickly improving air quality and mitigating mold growth. Overall, the Abestorm 4PCS 180 PPD commercial dehumidifier with pump stands out as a reliable and efficient solution for industrial dehumidification needs, proving itself invaluable for professional-grade applications.